On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning, Otter gang, 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 gang. What's going on, everybody? Good morning to you guys. Happy Friday. Let's get into it. Let's say good morning to every single one of you. Bitcoin dropping down to 69,000. Oof. Even tickling 68.8. Pretty wild. Pretty wild. We're going to ask you guys how your trading week has gone. Have you made profits? Let's see if we can find some trades today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I love you early risers. We got some unemployment coming our way this morning. So we got some data. So it should be an interesting day. Hopefully we can get away unscathed and make some money today. Let's jump into the chat. Now, let's see. Let me have a look-see here. What are you guys saying this morning? Now, you got to bear with me. I'm still really sick. So I'm going to try my best here. I got some throat lozenges, and I'm going to do my best, as usual. French Toaster said he's the first like. Good morning to you, Mr. Toaster, the magnificent toaster. Now, are you guys of the generation? I'm always curious. Are you of the generation that you watched? Let me spark. This is what I think of when I see French Toaster. I see this every single time. Every single time. Tell me, are you of this generation? Are you of this generation? I see this every single time. Every single time. I can't help it. Let me know if that resonates with you. And the little blankie. Oh, man. The brave little toaster, man. I love it. I love it. That's like childhood. Good morning, Jeffrey. How's it going? How's it going? Good to see you, Jeff. It's November. Womp, 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 womp. So we had a Pumptober, but a really lackluster ending to it. So we'll have to go over that. The weekly's coming up. We'd like to see it push back and close above 70,000. That would be ideal for this weekend. What's going on? Good morning, Bass Crouton. Good morning to you, man. Good morning. Tony Soprano in the chat. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you. Good morning to you, man. Tony, how's it going, bro? Did you have a good week or what? How was your week? Up and away or what? You getting wrecked? Absolutely decimated? You quit? What? What's going on, man? Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Good morning, man. Good morning to you. Retro Mike Tech, what's going on? How we doing, man? Good to see you. Top of the morning to the Otters. Let's go, Buck. What's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Fareed, good morning, man. Otter gang, let's go. Let's go. We're just a bunch of mammals in here. Mammals trying to get paid, right? Bitcoin's in this we like to draw the balloon dog here. So we got, the balloon dog's like this, right? You draw the balloon dog. It's in a balloon dog pattern here. We typically look for the snout and the breakout, okay? Typically. However, this could create some sort of inverse head and shoulders here. If we're looking at this, we can see this. I'm not a big pattern trader, but we know this, okay? So we could see this. And then the breakout, right? Okay, we'll keep our eye on the prize. We're prepared. Gotta wait for the data to come out. We're prepared for the data. The data, whatever you want to call it, okay? Akuna Matata. G-Corp, good morning to you, man. Good morning to the Otter Gang. Lotmo Crypto, let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, Alex, good morning. Good morning to you. John Foster Crypto. Wick's wife, Fine 89. She's going to be battling for an emoji. She wants her own emoji. We're going to have to eliminate an emoji. The emoji, maybe Brumbelow will give you his emoji spot. Dave Digital, I don't know. Cluck, I don't know. We got Otters in here. RMT, if RMT has an emoji, Wick's wife deserves an emoji. The question is, what would you want for your emoji? What's going on? Thesis is in the chat. Let's have it go, my man. The newest and coolest trader of them all. Our newest trader added to our Discord. Amazing guy, amazing person. I've been trading with Thesis from day one, man. He's family. He's in here giving you guys setups, helping you guys make some money. He's got the scalps, the BTC trades. I mean, he's absolutely crushing it. A lot of you guys seem pretty happy with Thesis. We're glad to have you and have brought you on. I mean, it's always an honor, bro, to be around you. You have such great energy, and we love you, man. We love you, man. So it's good having you around. We also have, obviously, Brewberry, the sensei. We have Kyle. Kyle is just one of a kind. Can't really compete with Kyle. Kyle just lays it down every day, always alpha. And then you have me, and I'm just here yelling at you guys. I mean, I press buy and sell, and I manage my risk, and I do pretty well. So hopefully, if you're interested, you can come and hang out with the team. I mean, it's $20 a month, man. You can't go wrong with that, where you get so much insight, so much learning. We're going to do a live stream later on today, so that should be fun. But shout out to you, Thesis. Thanks for dropping by, man. Hope you had a happy Halloween, man. Good morning, Massey. What's going on? Gang. John Foster Crypto. Curtis Neal, good morning, working on trap. So I'm just lurking again, but wanted to say hi. Good morning to you, Curtis. Hope you're doing well. Otter's in the chat. Darren Does Things, another OG, man. Good morning to you. Barefoot Sailing. Brave Little Toaster. Nostalgia. There we go. Everybody, man, that is the classic. I can't wait to watch all these classics with my son. Oh, man. Good morning to you, Wick's wife. French Toaster. Darren Does Things, man. Good morning to you, my brother. Wick's wife, Fine 89. Mad Lasers, up only. Let's go. Hassan, good morning. Quazim, good morning. Marco, good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful morning, everybody. It's Friday, baby. Let's go. Jay Violet, hey, everyone. Good morning to you, Jay Violet. Good to see you in the chat. Lasers, good to see you as well. Appreciate you, Barefoot Sailing Adventures. If you want to see some naked sailing, go over and check out Bear Sailing Adventures. Pretty cool YouTube channel. It's Friday. It's pump day. Let's go, John Foster. I agree. CryptoZen with the win yesterday for 6 months. Gifted membership to the Discord. Congratulations, CryptoZen. Frank, Fit for Life Crypto. Good morning, Otter gang. Boom, boom. Oh, I can't do that this morning. Oh, I'm still sick. I'm sick too, mostly sinus. Yeah, I'm in the same boat. I'm all sinus right now. I won't go into details because it's actually gross. I was about to go down that road and then I stopped myself. You're welcome. It's just, it hasn't turned into a cough yet, but it's all here. It all feels like I got like a dumbbell on my forehead. And yeah, it's not nice. Me and Buckley's got a hot date. Matt Eagle, good morning to you. We got 4 minutes till market opens. I'm going to get through this unemployment data in 10 minutes. Yeah. So I'm going to get through this quicker here. Or we can come back. We can come back like we did. Sore throat, gargle, lukewarm, salt water. I've been doing that. We're on that. Buck, good morning. Mick loving crypto. Let's go. Man, I haven't seen that in a long time. All you guys loving the Brave Little Toaster. Yeah, that's such a... I never heard of Brave Little Toaster. Must be a Canadian thing. We'll see. But let's get prepared here. We only got a couple of minutes left until we get our very important... Remember, Jerome Powell said that unemployment data or employment data or jobs data, anything to do with jobs is going to be very important, okay? Very important. We can see yesterday we got an absolute smackdown on the S&P. Okay, the S&P got absolutely derailed, coming back down. Same with the NASDAQ. Dixie continues to stay flat, no dumpage. Okay, right now with this data, let's see if we can get I would like to see a final shoulder come in down here. So if we do get a little bit of a dump rolling over here, I would like to see liquidity grab to the upside as well. Okay, so we got a couple of options this morning. We'll see if we do get down into this area. We do have a golden pocket down in here as well. So I'd be looking for that to swing into here, grab all of these people. Then maybe we can fire off a long. Let's see if we do get that opportunity this morning. Looking around 69, 647. 69, 600-ish area. We'll see if we do get that. Let's see what the data or the data, whatever you want to call it, don't call me data, says this morning. Okay, so it's going to be an interesting one. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing that like button as usual. I mean, we're on an absolute tear. I want to thank you guys all from the bottom of my heart. This week's been an amazing week. You know, we've had insane numbers. Like, we've had the best numbers we've had ever. So we've had like 1,200 people showing up to the live streams. We've had like 300 viewers, 400 viewers at times. We managed to get to 4,000 subscribers. For me, like even Billy was saying yesterday, he remembers when it was I was streaming to 4 people with my shitty setup in Australia with a blow up mattress falling on my head, all that stuff. So I just wanted to say thank you. We did do 2 giveaways yesterday. Yes. See, that's the sickness coming in right now. Yesterday, and hopefully we can continue to do some giveaways in the future. Okay. We'll try to do some giveaways every month. So we crushed it for October. Now, maybe we do a giveaway at the end of every month. Every Friday or something like that of every month, we'll do some giveaway. So let's see what happens here. Unemployment rate coming in. We want to see the unemployment rate going down, but hopefully we want to see people get jobs, man. We want to see a healthy economy, but I'm sure this is going to drop, hopefully, or go up. We want to see this. We don't want to see this at like 4.4 or 4.3. That would be devastating to the market. Okay, coming in here, we'll see how it prints. We should be printing in 10 seconds here. We got 10 seconds till this prints. This is going to be an interesting one. Let's see how it goes, and then we have manufacturing later on. But this is going to be interesting. Non-farm, we want to see it come in pretty good too. So Bitcoin having a little reaction, pushing on up here, pushing on up. No decision. Okay. 4.1. We came in under. That is good news. That is good news. 4.1 coming down. However, we see unemployment coming down, which is a good sign for the economy. However, the market doesn't look like it likes it too much. Doesn't look like it likes it too much. Don't be fudding my numbers here. So little sweep down. Are we going to get long here? Oh, man. Oh, man, no. I don't think so. I would look for the revisit of previous highs around 69,700. 69,700 would be an ideal area if we do come down. We'd be looking for potential long there. We'll see if we do get down here. Looking for something like this. Boop. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Let's see if we do get down here. Coming down. Right now, we see the Dixie. Dixie's flat. We can't see how the S&P is reacting this morning, so we don't want to really completely front run this. Let's go over. Get out of here. Why am I on ADA? Why was I looking at ADA? What a shit coin. Sorry, I apologize for that. I should never do that to you guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you own ADA. I would like to know. I would actually like to know. I sold my ADA recently. Okay, we're getting a bounce out of this area. Whew. That's aggressive, coming back down for this little order block in between here. Quick buy up on that news. So you typically get 3 moves, right? You get the actual move, then you get the liquidation, and then so you typically get something like this. So you get the actual move, the liquidation, and then the move. Okay, always be prepared for the liquidation. That's where you want to get in, short or long. So this was the actual move. We'll see if we come up and then we come back down. Nice little sweep here, pushing back up. Look at Bitcoin, absolutely flying off the wazoo. This could be good news. Looking at this thing to pump. We'll see if we do get it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat what you guys think about this data. I am not a fundamental analysis. I'm never claimed to be. I always like to see what your guys' opinions on this is. For me, no trade. I was looking for a retest of previous highs, okay? If we came back in here. We didn't do so, okay? We just came back and grabbed this little order block in between. Okay, let's keep going. I think unemployment will come in good and we'll go up and away. So it looks as though we have swept the lows and we are pushing. So let's see if it can continue to push. Interesting. Quality film. Good morning, Crypto Traveler. How's it going? Landon Maximus, the brave little toaster. But the sequel sucked. Absolutely, I agree with you there. Yes, let's go, Tony. Had a great week. Good week. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. I had to break and work on my patience. Okay, that's good. That's good. Sometimes no trade is a position, okay? That's something we always need to know. French Toaster, what's going on? Man, we should have got long off this thing. Are we going to FOMO in at the top? FOMO in at the top. Okay. Let's see what's going on. French Toaster, Retro Mike Tech in the chat. Wayne Z, good morning. Hopefully you got a nice sandwich. Alex, do you eat poutine? Not a lot, to be honest. Not a lot. I mean, there's nothing wrong. You know what? Hockey arena poutine is the best though. Like that really like shitty bang bang fries, like really gross fries with the gross hockey arena gravy. If you're Canadian, you know what hockey arena poutine is. That is the best. Good morning and good to see you. Good to see you, Vino, man. Is that like Vino, like you're drinking wine while trading or what? And ketchup chips. Ketchup chips are delicious, but I haven't had a bag of, now you speak my language. I might have to. I'm not a big, you guys are all going to unsubscribe. I'm not big on chips or popcorn. Popcorn, it's not worth the amount of that gets in your teeth. Look at this. The triple move, baby, coming in, giving us a Darth Maul, right? The Darth Maul on the 5-minute. Look at the Darth Maul lives here, bro. Look, he's got the lightsaber and everything, man. Look at the Darth Maul coming right back to reality. That's the retest, breaking the camel's back, coming down. Okay, it's still a bit overextended. I would like to see it at least come into here. We could be looking to possibly get long here for continuation, but we got liquidity up in here, but no trades so far. Let's just be patient. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Non-farm. Why does it say 12K on non-farm? Is that like a blip? 12K? Are you kidding me? You only added 12,000 jobs? Is this wrong? What does that mean? Can someone clarify what that means? That is crazy. 12,000? Am I like, are they effing with us or what? I think they're effing with us. That's crazy. 12,000. What? What? Hey, Wayne C. Al Jr., good morning to our beautiful Hancock. What's going on, bro? Good to see you this morning. In Durango, good morning to you, man. Thank you for being here. I love that I see the same faces here every morning, man. You guys are incredible. Thank you for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We got an amazing amount of people in here, an amazing group of traders. Thank you for being here. Stay high. Good morning. I'm bored at the airport waiting to get picked up. Hopefully it comes sooner rather than later. Durav morning is the bottom in. I'm not sure yet. I do have some levels down below that we could come to. So I'll have to keep an eye on those levels for sure. Super Ofertas, good morning to you, man. Good morning, Wayne C. Good morning, Woe to Otter Gang. What's going on, Otter Gang? What's going on? I love it. Good morning to you guys. Buck Wick 589. My emoji is this emoji of an XRP holder. Helium Mobile, take a look. Ooh, might be someone's to pique someone's interest. Okay, Helium Mobile. This is pushing up. Okay, Wayne, how's your evenings, bro? Same. Pardon me. Was just going to say that. First time, temp of the year change, daylight change. Don't know. See what happens. Alex made the best Halloween cowboy. Thank you. I was all cowboy all day, baby. Let's go. Yeehaw. Giddy up. I was on 3 shows yesterday, even though I was sick. We showed up. That's it. I was really sick. Maybe we should have gotten long here. Looks like this thing wants to rip. Okay, looks like this thing wants to rip. Let's see if it can hold here. I just see in here, this looks very appealing to me back in here. So we'll have to wait. I'm sorry, but I'm waiting. Some of you guys, let me know if you guys are long off of this data. I'm not particularly keen on FOMOing at the highs here. Wick, all good. Few beers and I'm always in. Matt Eagle, does that look like an inverse A and E? A and E like A and E. I'm not sure what an A and E is. I'm sorry to say that. Even though I didn't get any love, Dixie is pumping. So that just there we go. Good morning, JP. Good morning to you. Make sure you guys, if you are new here or if you're a lurker, I love when the lurkers say hello. I like when they go, "Hi, I'm a lurker." That's probably the best good morning that we typically get on a Friday. Good to see all of you guys in the chat. Let me know if you are long. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. I would like to know off of this 100K this afternoon. That would be absolutely insane. I don't own ADA. ADA owns me. Quasm, ADA's Bitcoins. Yeah, I sold my ADA. And swapped to Sui. I was pretty happy about that. Favorite hockey team? We're Toronto born, man. Maple Leafs, Maple Laughs, whatever you call us. We're the only leaf that falls in the spring, which is playoff time. That's the joke, okay? The only leaf that falls in the spring. That's us. We haven't won since 1967. And you know what? That's okay. Now elections, rate cut next week. Yeah, that's going to be a fun one there, Landon. It's going to be a fun one. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. Good poutine is hard to beat, but it's not part of a regular diet. Yeah, Curtis Neal, if we have poutine all the time, we'd have mad cholesterol problems. Chitty bang bang fries. Let's go. I don't think we have a chitty bang bang here in Canada, but ketchup chips reminds me of the fart scene from Step Brothers. You guys are killing me, man. You guys are killing me. Okay, we got a little breakout retest happening right now. You could be looking for something like this. Okay, could be looking for this. Could be. Could be. See, we got resistance up in here. Not something I'm going to take. Not yet. Going to be patient. Please help me understand what the F happened on Dixie now. Okay, the Dixie has dumped. Yeah, so the Dixie has been up only. So it's rolling over, which is bullish. So it means typically Dixie, we watch it for an inverse correlation to risk on assets, right? So when Dixie's going up, it means people are holding more dollars. And when it's rolling over, it means people are putting their dollars into assets. So we do have like that psychological level that has held, which is 100. Okay, and you can see anytime we've gone into a bull run, even if we've overlaid Bitcoin on here, the Dixie has absolutely wrecked. Okay, so you can see here, see the vertical line? Anytime the Dixie rolls over, we've had a bull run. Okay, bull run. So now we're just looking for the Dixie to lose critical support that it has in the past. Okay? You can see how it loses it in the past here. So we're looking for the Dixie to lose this as well, right? So if we lose that 100, we roll over here, right? We can expect bull run for continuation, okay? And that's typically how we look to use the Dixie. And the short-term time frames, yes, we can look. So we noted we were moving up with the Dixie when Bitcoin was moving up, right? So right now, getting up here is very good for us to come back down, giving us a lot of space for a bull run. So this is not a bad sign. It's something we were watching. We were up only, and now we are breaking structure. So now we want to see this roll over, and that would be very bullish for Bitcoin. Hopefully that helps you understand the Dixie a little bit, and how I use it, right? It's just a tool. It's just something you look at to kind of build confidence within your trading, and that's how I would use it. Okay, let's continue to say hello to all you lurkers, okay? Our ketchup chips a Canadian thing? We don't have those. Yeah, we love ketchup chips here. That's just like, we love them. We love them. Now, chicken shawarma from Osmos. Oh, man. Here we go. Darth Maul candle. Yeah, that's the one, man. That's the one. Good morning to everybody, man. It's more like Venom made that account when he was 12. All right. All right. Curtis Neal. Kong Crazy, good morning to you. Good morning, Maureen. How are you doing? Good to see you. French toaster, the coolest toaster around. Our ketchup chips, yeah, they are Canadian. Means no farm payrolls are incomplete. There was some news about coin market cap this morning. Interesting. They can make it 12,001 this morning, says Retro Mike Tech. Let's go. Are you adding jobs, man? Oh man, imagine all-time high today. That would be pretty incredible. I mean, I'm always down for a Friday pump. You guys know that. I'm actually curious. Maybe we do get long here. We'll have to wait and find out. Sui Boom, she's gone. Is Sui gone? Let's go. Let's go. Love me a Sui Boom. I sold my ADA and I swapped for Sui at $1.60. So I'm pretty happy with my decision so far. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I mean, then ADA goes to $10. No longs, looking fishy. Do you trade altcoins? Yeah, sometimes, Rohit. I'll buy altcoins on spot rather than, I'll put like 10 grand spot on an altcoin and then take my profits as it goes, right? Like I don't try to be too greedy, but we do have traders in our Discord that do trade altcoins. I also do give altcoin like ideas. I won't give signals for altcoins, but I'll definitely be giving ideas. And I mean, we gave some pretty good ideas recently. We hit a Beam trade. We hit a Pepe trade, a Render trade, a Sui trade. Okay, so they're there, but we also have a Thesis who definitely does scalp trades. He had an amazing scalp the other day on Link, which was pretty good, and everybody got in on that. So there's lots of things to trade, but mostly during the live stream, I'm going to focus on Bitcoin, and that's going to be mainly what I trade, and it is mainly what I trade, and that's what I give signals for. And hopefully help you guys understand. It just respects, the boomer coin respects levels, right? That's why we trade it. And if you want to crank up your leverage, you can do it with the boomer coin. You can't do it with the altcoin. So it's pretty much like trading an altcoin. Pardon me for a second. I hate being sick, man. Adam and Eve. Yeah, I love me a good old Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve pattern. Adam and Eve pattern, if you are unaware of what an Adam and Eve is, it's a triangle with a rounded bottom, typically breaks down, and you can have them in both directions, okay? Maybe it's this. I don't know what you're looking for here. But, yeah, nice little pattern. You can trade it in reverse as well, okay? Uneven butt cheek. Completely uneven butt cheek. Okay, coming back to Rex, some people right now looking like it wants to continue to pump. Are we going to jump in on this? Yeah, I'm going to wait. You guys are probably sick of me saying wait. Adam and Eve trying to say Foster's Australian for beer in Cowboy testing theory. Foster's. Good day, mate. Parrot income. I lived in Australia for a while. A thick Aussie accent's hard to understand, but try going to Scotland and a Glaswegian accent. I lived in Scotland for a year too, so whenever you ran into those people from Glasgow, a Glaswegian, they would I, and you'd be like, yeah. Oh, I'm long since 2 a.m. Let's go. This guy's long from down here. Awesome. Paul Caruso, airdrop, lurk. Let's go. Airdropper. I love the lurk. Let's go. Shout out to the lurkers. Let's go. Okay, you got me. Let's go, DeBoots. Mad love. Good morning. Good morning to you, DeBoots. Thank you to all the lurkers for being here. One long from 69.8. Good morning, chat. I'm waiting for perfect entry level. Let's do it. Beef boy, I'm long and I'm lurking. Let's go. That's great. So when comes alive, they die. We'll see. Sad because I like ADA as a project, but it's trash as an investment. That's the thing. That non-farmer, how many jobs were created between last month and this month? It's a lagging number. Thank you for clarifying that. And they suck. Leafs suck. We won last night 4-1 against Seattle, so you're a Montreal fan. Uh-oh. That's okay, man. That's okay. I'm sorry that Line got hurt, man. I'm sorry that sucks, man. But we can't be too nice to the Hab fans, but we still love you. We still love you for being here. Little fish, what's going on? Unbitcoinable. Hello to you. Good morning. David Brumbelow in the chat. Let's go. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Let's jump into it. We've spent enough time chatting. Let's get into the money making. Okay, so taking a look here. Now, what do we see? A little bit of a push back up into reality. So a nice little pumper here on Bitcoin. Okay, and after a big dumper. So that's one thing that we need to be aware of, is that we have broken structure to the downside. When we zoom out, okay, we can hide all this for now. When we zoom out, we can simply see that we have broken down, okay? We have bounced off previous highs, which is a level that we gave in our Discord, as usual. But we have come back and revisited these highs, which is a good retracement, okay? Sometimes we're looking for a 382. Sometimes we're looking for some sort of golden pocket. We haven't come to our golden pocket yet, which is, not concerning. We've kind of like spooked it, right? But this has been very aggressive, right? So a little bit of patience here will prevail. Looks like Bitcoin wanting to rip up into these levels up here. We're coming for some liquidity at this area right in here. Okay, so that's nice, but I would like to see this before this, okay, if we are going to come back up to reality. Okay, everybody getting all puckered and scared yesterday when really, I mean, we're at 69,000, my friends, 69,000. Okay, so it's any sort of retracement is welcome for continuation if we're going to get it. Okay, so let's try to be level-headed here and not get like all like, oh, the bull run's over, that kind of thing, when really it's just really getting started, right? So if we zoom out on more of a macro, we got our 3-month printing, or not our 3 months, our monthly October yesterday. Okay, so that's one thing we do need to understand. Beautiful, like 11% candle all the way up here, not mitigating the highs and pushing back against us, right? So this isn't a bearish or a bullish candle. It's a nice candle, okay? We're not going to take it for anything other than that, for a nice push up. Nonetheless, we did close our monthly above 70,000, which is good in my opinion, okay? We didn't close above these highs, these closes up in here, which was ideal. I would have liked to see us close above 71,400, but we didn't get up and close there. So we still got work to do, which is fine. I do believe November could be that bullish month that we are expecting. Now, if you watch Eric Crown, he is a statistical guy, and statistically, November is bearish for its first week and then bullish for the rest of it. Okay, so let's be patient. Let's not get over and like ambitious on pressing buy only. Let's be level-headed. Okay, so we want to look at statistics. We want to be informed. We want to make money. We want to catch the move. Yes, yes, yes. But we need to understand that nothing goes up forever, and we are just now breaking out of this thing and hopefully getting out and onwards. Okay, so let's be level-headed. Just trying to keep keep ourselves really in check. That's going to be critical. So we did get our 5-day candle as well yesterday, which is quite nice, but you can see we're a little bit overextended here. Okay, money is coming out on the higher term time frames here, so we would like to see this start to put in higher highs and higher lows and ramping to the upside. Okay, we got a big exhaustion wick above us here, so really we're just trying to see if it can push back into it on these higher term time frames going into our weekly candle. Our weekly candle, we would like to see this continue to push up, closing above 71,200. We'll see if we get there. Okay, now for today, how are we going to trade this? Well, looking at the daily, we can see that we are printing a red dot. This isn't confirmed yet. If we do push up this morning, we could negate this red dot. So let's see if we do get that push and continuation to the upside. Nonetheless, we can see money is coming in, which is flattening out, and we can see VWAP is resetting. So these are good signs for potential reset and continuation back up, something like this. You see here, we're looking for something like that, where you get a little ramp up before, cooling off and then going. Okay, so let's see if we could be getting a cool off here. Not a bearish divergence, but something to be aware of. Okay, going into the 12-hour, what do we see? Very simply, that a little bit overextended, but we got positive posturing here on the VWAP, and money is green. So we have a couple things pointing to the upside, and we are holding our stochastics above the zero line, which is bullish in my opinion. So looking for this continuation. Will we get it? We'll have to wait and find out. We know that price is choppy AF right now, so let's be very cautious with trading this Friday, okay? Now, the pushback's nice. The 4-hour has given us a trigger wave VWAP crossover. This is a bullish setup, right? Especially after an uptrend and a retracement, okay? This is always going to be a bullish setup. Waiting for this trigger, waiting for this crossover is something that we are looking for, and this looks obviously promising coming down here and pushing back up. Okay, but right now we did say we want to see this, then this. So let's be cautious about just pressing buy right now. Okay, mitigating our risk below this low is going to be ideal when trying to protect ourselves to the downside. Our 3 confirmed green dot VWAP crossover, money ramping back up, stochastics coming back in. Good sign. Okay, got 3 white soldiers here on the 2-hour pushing up. Okay, a little bit overextended here. Let's see if it gets a rejection from the midline there on stochastics as well. But this is looking like it wants to fight back. Nonetheless, I would be looking for maybe even a cup and handle. I'm not a cup and handle kind of guy, but I love a good cup of coffee before continuing back upwards, okay? The 1-hour. The 1-hour, we got 5 minutes for this candle to print, which I would think would go like this because it is pretty bullish. And we have come and grabbed some liquidity up above us here. So this would be the high that I'm interested in Bitcoin taking. And if we can come back and take that, okay? We do see some nice ramping here. So anytime we're ramping here, we're creating liquidity, right? So typically we come back for some of it, then we go. Okay, so let's be prepared for this setup today because we are kind of trapping longs right now. In my opinion, we're trapping longs right now at the top. Okay, coming back into this area here. We have support down in here. Okay, so coming back and wrecking them, sweeping here, and then going up is quite a nice possibility for us this morning. Also, if we're looking for a rejection, that would be a sweep up here, bearish divergence, break a structure back down to the lows and continuing possibly back down to that golden pocket. When zooming out here, we can simply see that we have come back for a lot of this liquidity here, single prints, okay, where we're looking to come back to. We do have our areas down below. We didn't come to our golden pocket. We retested previous highs, okay, still a nice move. We came to that 420, 69, 420 as we called, not perfectly, but we came to it. And now we have bounced out of it, but this is still a lower high in this downtrend. Okay, so you can see lower high is still here. So we would like to see this high mitigated. Then we can look for a big old swing trade, possibly to the upside. Let's just be patient here, okay? Let's be patient here. Sorry. And that's what I'm really looking for today. Now, will we get the setup? We'll have to wait and find out. We get a little dump and then people stop showing up to the live streams. We got 150 people in here, 63 likes. If you wouldn't mind smashing up those like buttons. We got to 4,000 subscribers. We're not done yet. We're going to continue to push this thing to the moon. Let's go. So looking like it is coming back on us right now. 30-minute looking a little bit exhausted. Okay, rolling over. Trapping people up top here, right? Not coming for this high that we just said. So can it come back down? I would look for a sweep back into here. Let's just be patient. Let's turn on all this early stuff that we did this morning and see what we are looking for. So retest the previous highs, possible long here, coming back in. We'll have to wait and find out. Let's put this to the side. Let's not over trade this morning. Let's just be patient. That we are in a downtrend now. We have bearish momentum to the downside. Money is ramping back in. VWAP's looking to hold on the 24, but we're overextended on momentum. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're looking for a retrace possibly till 11 o'clock and then a bounce. Interesting. We'll have to wait and see. Do I have another Halls? No, I don't. Sorry guys, I'm feeling sick, man. I'm feeling sick. I'm trying my best here. All right, let's see what the chat thinks. Congratulations on 4,000 subs. Thanks so much, Barefoot Sailing. Are you longing or what? No long yet. We're waiting. We're waiting. Good morning to you, Kowski. Good morning to you, SXEI. Good morning to you. Good bear divs on the 5-minute. Hoping it will be a good alt day. We could see some rotation into some altcoins. I must have missed something. Looks like RMT is trying to start some ish. Good morning. You're in a long or what? Retested value area high around 69K. 69.4. Okay. Ever since 382 touch around 65K. Good morning. Freaking early only one. Let's go, Harp. Let's go, man. Always ready, man. Go Habs go, says Little Fish. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Do we have to play some Halo or something? Teach you all some lessons. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Mad love to every single one of you. Check whiff. Take a whiff of this. Okay, little V-shaped recovery on whiff, coming back up to resistance. Same as Bitcoin. Just a little bit more aggressive. Oh, man. Oh, man. So trying to push out. Yeah, same kind of deal. We can see a little bit of a pushback. We were looking for that beam long. Arbitrum looking to break out. Injective breaking out. Sui breaking out. Okay? Lots of nice moves here on the altcoins. So let's see if it follows suit here. Bitcoin not really understanding what it wants to do. Okay, chop liver. Chop liver. We'd like to see it come back down into this area here. So we got the data. Unemployment doesn't seem too bad, but nonetheless, we need to be prepared as best as we can. Okay? As best as we can. We got nice continuation here. We could draw something like this if we wanted. This is a little bit of hopium. Coming back down to this level, looking for potential long. No trade as of yet. Okay? No trade as of yet. I would like to see this come back into this area for sure. Okay? Liquidity, we could look for a liquidity hunt to the upside. A little push, right? Sweep of the highs, and then back down we go. But for now, this is very choppy, very flat. Nothing I want to participate in. Let's go into our scalp setup here. The VWAP's down here too. There we go. More confluence. We like confluence. Confluence is good. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smashing those like buttons. I'm trying my best today, guys. I'm sorry if it's a little bit lackluster energy, but not feeling too hot. Not feeling too hot. So we'll keep trying here, and hopefully we can get you guys a nice trade this morning. Okay, got the news data. Pretty much a nothing burger. Okay, we look through the Dixie rolling over, which is a good sign. The S&P, a big rollover. Okay, might come back even lower here, back down to about 5,600. Okay, retesting this range, the lower part of this range. Pretty nasty dump on the good old S&P there, and looking at NASDAQ as well. Coming back, revisiting these lows in here. Just curious. Let's see. Yeah, so we're value area low, right? So nice little support, but nonetheless, big rollover for NASDAQ. That's for a 3% move on the NASDAQ is quite aggressive. The Russell, a nice recovery on the Russell. Look at that. That's bullish in my opinion. V-shaped recovery looking to happen. That's quite nice on the Russell. So there's some positive things in the market. Looking for this, if you are looking for a swing trade, looking at this on BNB, okay? BNB is in a nice range. This 580 level is held really nicely. And as you can see here, we're in some sort of ascending triangle here, right? Where we can look for that, you know, that coiling up and that breakout, right? So coming back to the highs, this is looking quite nice for BNB. If you're looking for a potential swing trade, I'd be looking possibly there. But some things are looking really juicy right now for the altcoins. You got to keep your eyes on the prize and make sure. Ethereum as well has banged on the door here. We're at the low for Ethereum. So ETH is actually in a very nice ascending triangle as well. Okay, if we're looking at anything, the ETH level here, coming back down. But as you can see, this is massive. Okay, this is ever since August, right? So this is a big ascending triangle, which will break like this. Okay, so this is, you know, you want to get in long down at these lows, right? As they continue to hold, right? So a lot of things looking okay. Like they're putting in bottoming structure, okay? So patience will prevail with those kind of trades, but you can start a position, start to ladder in, right? It's totally up to you, but it's never financial advice. I'm supposed to say that, right? This is, I mean, we're how can this be financial advice? Our mascot's a bloody otter, okay? Okay? Thank you. Ugh. Otter gang. Let's go. I think we're coming back down to VWAP. Getting a nice little bearish divergence here. Bear divvy, baby. Bear divvy. You see the bear divvy, right? Bearish divergence at the highs here. Failing to come and grab liquidity. That's the only concern with going short here. So if we do like break down here and retest this, that would be a great short this morning. Yeah, this doesn't look strong. This was news. Remember, this is news in here, so we can't just trade off of news. That's stupid. We're not here to trade fundamentally. We're here to trade level to level. We have We haven't gotten up to this level here. Okay. If we break this low in here, I'm definitely looking for a short. Definitely. Because this is typically, we look for the third strike on something like this. So we got the bear divs here, right? So the third strike would be something like this, right? Where you're getting that third strike and then you take this puppy down. That's what I would be looking for. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing those like buttons. We're just playing around with theory. That's it. That's it, right? I just closed 85% and waiting on a retrace to add back in. If it pumps to the moon, happy camper. Irregardless. I love it. God save us all from liquidation. Let's go. Good morning, Spyros. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. 12. God save me from liquidation. Good morning. Wizdream. Good morning to you, man. Holding long. Let's go. Lurker says, hope you get well soon. Thank you so much. I appreciate the Lurker kindness. Alex, poutine is the best way to plug up your insides. Absolutely. Poutine is that is absolute grunge cholesterol artery clogging food. We love that. Hoping it will be a good alt day. Absolutely. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Let's see if we do find some beautiful setups. Thank you guys for smashing up those like buttons. We're at 4,000 subscribers. Incredible, incredible, incredible. Okay, so looking for this thing to do something today. We'll have to wait and find out. We got the bearish divergences pushing down here. We do have a low that we just put in here after that data. So to me, VWAP coming up here, we can look for, a retest back down at these levels. But right now, a little bit of patience is going to prevail, okay? If there's any altcoins you want me to look at, you can shoot them in the chat. I'll have a quick gander. A couple of swing ideas that I've given you guys. Flipping through here, Link had a nice move up, has since retraced back down, okay? Holding, we would like to see Link get back above this $11.50 level. AVAX, looking at this as well. This is in a nice pennant. Okay, zooming out here, we can see the beautiful pennant on AVAX here. So looking for continuation as well on AVAX. Okay, if we push back up here, that looks like it would be a nice little long, and that could play out quite nicely all the way up. So looking at that as well. Just trying to keep our eye on the prize. Looking at Sol to hold this uptrend yesterday, and it failed to do so. So now it's retesting previous highs, and we'll see if Solana can bounce from here as well. Okay, but breakdown retest, you got to be aware of this, right? Uptrend, 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 breakdown retest continuation, right? So don't want to get overly bullish, right? That would create an inverse head and shoulders, right? Leaning to the right, breaking down. So let's not get overly bullish today. I don't think that's a healthy mindset. Okay, we want to see our altcoin bags come on. Okay, we're looking for Bitcoin dominance to drop. We're looking for total 3 to break out. These are the things, these are the signs that we will be looking for. Bitcoin dominance coming all the way up to 60% here. No signs of stopping. Okay? Until we start losing like significant lows like this. Okay, breaking that. Then we can look for that. Okay? Now total 3 as well. Trying to break out. It has out of this downtrend, okay, but still making higher lows here, but still not fully out of the woods yet, okay? So a couple things we are watching, making sure that we are prepared, but altcoins still down at these lows, really trying to have some nice accumulation before heading onwards and upwards, okay? Bitcoin. Flat volume. Where's the volume, man? Turn up the volume. We had that spike and now we're flat again. So right now this looks like it's going to roll over and come down a little bit. We'll have to wait and find out. What's going on? Dave Digital in the chat. My man. Good morning to you, man. Good morning to you. Have you ever taken a shoe while Alex O Crypto was live? Oh my God, you guys. I am the early stream, aren't I? So you guys Bass crouton. Irregardless isn't a word. I didn't want to go there, Bass crouton. uh, it's just regardless. You guys are mean, man. Everybody, so in Canada, I don't know. My mom says instead of fantastic, my mom says vantastic, like a fucking van. My grandmother says potato instead of potato. I don't know. Everybody has their thing, man. Waiting is my favorite game. I do it every day. That's the one, man. I mean, if you can get comfortable just sitting and waiting. I mean, alarms are a great tool. So I do believe ADA is a long-term hold. I'm not like anti-ADA. Okay, I'm not like I sold all of my ADA. Okay, I sold all. You know what? I bought ADA June 10th right here on the FTX collapse, okay? And I round-tripped it all the way up. I bought at 22 cents, okay? And I round-tripped it, okay? Hit 2x. I should have sold here, right? Didn't sell. It came back down. And for me, I want to pick winners. So I sold here the other day. Okay, I sold right here. It's still 50% gain. Okay, it's still, and it's like 15 grand, right? So 50% gain. I made 7,500, right? So still a nice chunk of money. However, like it's to me, this cycle, it doesn't look like it wants to do what I want, right? So for me, I swapped it to Sui and I got Sui at $1.60. Not saying that Sui's gonna really outperform it, but in my opinion, if you're looking to make money off of altcoins and you're not looking to hold it for multiple cycles, like I have Link you can buy at any level really right now. I think Link is a long-term hold, okay? But you know, I was lucky enough to swap it at $1.60, right? And I'm already up 30% on my now $15,000, right? So, I mean, why would you want to hold ADA when you can hold something else that has, you know, strength, in my opinion? And I'm not here to downplay. I don't think ADA will, you know, ADA can possibly go back to all-time highs, $3, whatever. But for me, I want to have winners, right? I'm trying to pick winners. I'm trying to set myself up for success. To me, my low-hanging fruit was ADA in my portfolio, so I sold it. But for you, I mean, ADA does look like it has. ADA's a sleeper, right? It'll chop sideways until it doesn't, and then when it doesn't, it absolutely rips. Okay, so right now it's coiling up, right, and it's gonna lag as it normally does, right? It's gonna lag and then it'll boom, right? It'll boom, reclaiming key levels, but it's not something I'm waiting around for, right? That's something I'm waiting around for. So we'll see how it goes. But it is at lows right now. But, you know, a 30% move that I've already gotten just brings us up to 45 cents. I don't think it's going to 45 cents soon. It's got to climb its way up there, right? So a little bit of patience. Bitcoin, still just flopping around here. Still just flopping around here. Thank you everybody for being here. We got 150 people in here, 86 likes. I think the dump scared away everyone. Nobody wants to make money this morning. If you are new here, come over and hang out. We would love to have you. Thesis, new scalp? Are you scalping something now, bro? What are you looking at, bro? I want to see. He's trading Gala. Oh God. I don't touch Gala. He's trading pig nipples. I like pig nipples. Those are good. Makes lots of money. See, look at the trade setups, man. You guys got all the goods, man. Thesis giving you guys the goods. Up 100%. Wow. Look at Thesis go, man. Crushing it. Crushing it. I mean, pure alpha here. Coming at you hard, quick and ready. Good morning, Bass. Good morning, Massey. Oh, amazing Discord. We'd love to have you. Come over and hang out in the free section. Check it out. Links down below. We'd love to have you. And then if you want to take it further, we do have a live stream later today as well for the Discord members. $20 a month. That is going to change eventually. So get in while you can. That's all I got to say about that. Bitcoin flat. Is there any other altcoin requests before market opens? We got 15 minutes here. And he's funny as hell. Yeah, he's loved. Dude's in a trade 24/7. Yeah, absolutely. It will become a topic once it breaks 41. Absolutely. What is funny is that you have made a whole ADA in profit pursuing that you bought already. That's it, Dave, right? Like what? What? What am I supposed to do, man? Alex, you look like Johnny Storm. Who's Johnny Storm, man? I don't know Johnny Storm. Am I missing out on something? Who's Johnny Storm? Let me Google. Who's Johnny Storm? Am I too young for that? I mean, Chris Evans. I ain't fantastic. I mean, maybe if I shaved. Maybe if I, as long as I get to make out, don't tell my beautiful wife, but as long as I get to hang out with Jessica Alba, I can be anything for, you know, I can be Johnny Storm. I can be Johnny Storm. Right? Fantastic Four? Is that Johnny Storm? He gets to hang out with Jessica Alba, right? Oh yeah, he does. Johnny, do I look like Johnny Storm? Is this Johnny Storm? Stop looking at Jessica Alba. I don't mind. I can be this guy all day long. I might not speak properly though. I might be blah 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 blah. Oh man. Oh man, you guys get me all excited in the morning, man. It's Friday, baby. Let's go. Happy Friday to every single one of you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day. 160 people in here. Thank you all for being here. Looking for a Bitcoin continuation play. Right now, no trade, just waiting. We're going to go and look at HBAR or HBAR. HBAR. Johnny Storm. How long did you hold that trade to make $7,500? I told you I bought down at the bottoms on June 10th of the FTX collapse. So it was a spot buy, my friend. That was a spot buy on ADA, and I should have sold. I could have made a lot more on my 10 grand. But you know what? That's okay. It was a great buy. Okay, we cannot complain about buying absolute chaos. Okay, so we bought a lot of our tokens on the FTX collapse. So this was it. If we're on our weekly here, this was the FTX collapse on June 10th. I bought AVAX here. I bought ADA here. I bought Matic here, which I've sold as well. I bought Link here. I bought Ethereum here. Okay, and then I round tripped a lot of it. So I sold Matic like in here. I sold ADA up in here. But when you buy something here, it still gives you the opportunity to make nice gains, okay? Yes, I could have, at least doubled my money. Okay, made a nice 10K, right? Even could have made a nice 20K. That's life. You pay yourself. I've rotated it into something I believe that's going to make me more money into the bull run, okay? Looks like Bitcoin's getting a little bit of a push here. I was supposed to look at HBAR really quickly. Let's go. HBAR looks dead, okay? Everybody's... HBAR is coming for these lows here. Look at this thing. It's just rolling over. Yeah. HBAR could be that ISO 2020 token. I don't know which one it is. But could be a good buy. Or a good buy. But yeah, at key levels of support, right? Needs to hold here. Bitcoin goes down and retraces big time. HBAR is going to die, right? This is ugly. This is a shoe pattern. We call this the shoe pattern, the stiletto. Okay. This is typically a bullish pattern once it starts creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay. It needs to start putting in some structure here. Not looking too good. Needs to get back up above that 5 cent 5 cent area, okay? That's going to be critical for Habar. Okay, market is going to open in about a minute here, so that's, or 10 minutes. Right now, to me, this, what do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if you think this is trapping longs, in my opinion. This price action here is trapping people in longs. That's my thought. Only to return probably to previous highs or the golden pocket. Now, the golden pocket was this buy level this morning, but you can see if we go from swing low to swing high, right, that has changed. This is now going to move up higher, making a perfect confluence with previous highs here. Okay, so this is the ideal buy area right here for Bitcoin if we do come back down. Okay, I can't even see my tools here. Okay, so that's something that we're keeping in mind, is that we're looking for this. This would be ideal. Okay. However, we do have a level of support here at 70,000. We'll see if that holds as well. It held back in here for a little bit, but nonetheless, right now you can see nice W bottoming structure. Looking for a continuation. We got bearish divergence up in here, so I wouldn't be surprised if this broke down before heading up. We got 107 people in here now. 50 people just left us. I'm going to cry. That's okay. That's okay. Another day. We're going to find a trade now. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with us. A little bit of a slow Friday. How's everybody's trading going this week? Just curious. So up and away. Pretty cool. This is much higher this week than last week. So that's very good to see. I'm glad to hear this. Okay, we got 142 votes here. So that's incredible to seeing you guys kick ass this week. Congratulations to all of you. Salute to all your gains. Down and frown, 22%. Okay, so we always want to be reflecting, reviewing, taking inventory about our trades. Okay, so make sure that you go back and you see what you could have done better, what you did wrong, and how you could have maybe managed your risk a little bit better. Or did you manage your risk and take your trade setups you just lost? That's a different story. Okay, that's a win in my books. Sometimes we're gonna take losses, but if you do manage to hold them properly and manage your risk and not over leverage, trading 2-3% of your account, right? That's okay. Some people got decimated. For you guys, get back on the horse. Paper trade. Okay, paper trade. Start with $100, whatever it is. Paper trade and practice. Back test, right? It's gonna be part of the journey. And if you're getting decimated, it means you're not practicing good risk management, in my opinion. So you want to be able to definitely have longevity in this game. If you're over leveraging, if you're, trying to will your way into trading, you're going to be gambling and you're going to get wrecked. Okay. Even Steven is still good. That's very positive. Even Steven means you managed your risk properly and you actually were trading properly, right? Like it shows strength in your trading. Now it's just about developing that edge, right? What's that edge going to be? Maybe it's the risk management. Maybe your stop loss needed a little bit more wiggle room. Maybe you needed to take less profits and let the trade ride out a little bit more. Okay, that's going to be very much for interpretation, but you got to definitely take a look at what you could have done a little bit better in order to maximize your profits to get that profitable week going on, okay? It's going to be very, very critical that you get a journal. We have a trading journal in our Discord, and it's going to be critical also that you get I write down my stuff. So I got a trading journal right beside me here, and I write down my trades and what I was thinking and how I'm looking to trade it and all that stuff. If you are new here and you do want to trade on BloFin, I haven't shilled BloFin in ages, man. In ages. We are sponsored by BloFin. Okay, we got a BloFin little tag here. Oh, BloFin. I ain't bluffing. I'm BloFin. And we are sponsored by Market Safer Crypto Face himself, which is pretty amazing as well. Links are down below if you want to sign up with either of those. I would greatly appreciate it. Supports the channel, it supports me, and means a lot to me. So I'm looking for this thing to do something. We got 5 minutes. Okay. A lot of you people seem worried. Okay. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Absolutely, Spyros. I think if you can get out of that, quick money fast kind of mentality, it's going to be much easier managing your emotions, your position size, all of that. All the ISO-ish is pulling an ADA/XRP. Yeah, man, for sure. Everybody was so hyped on that, like the Algorand, XRP, H bar. I was like, I'm not touching that with a 10-foot pole, man. Not too many shorts entering the market compared to longs. Nope. It does seem as though there is a little bit of strength here, but no real decision as of yet. It's been a decent week. Awesome, little fish. What about Near? Near's the Celine Dion coin. Near far wherever you are. Near looks like Near's chart's pretty nice. It does look like there's strength in Near, but for me, not something I hold. I would look for that. Yeah, we're at that $4 mark. So Near rolling over here. I would just, for Near, if I was looking to trade Near, I would just do this. This would be my idea. I draw this. I'd set an alert on Near. Okay, I'm going to do it with you. And I'd wait. I'd wait until we see some strength. Okay, and then you get long on this thing. Okay, so just something like that. Keep it simple, right? You could be looking at the bottom here for that sweep. We're at that psychological $4, looking for that bottoming structure and continuation out on Near. Okay, keep it simple. Going into market open, let's see how it opens this morning. It's Friday, baby. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. Happy ex-Halloween or old Halloween, whatever you want to call it, but the S&P gapped down, suggesting weakness, okay, in the market. We did have a lot of earnings this week, Meta, Facebook, all that stuff. So a big gap created here, looking for this thing to find some support and work its way back up into the all-time highs that it continues to create, right? This thing has been up only for so long. So we'll see if it does continue. This is a lot of uncertainty going into this election, so we need to be prepared nonetheless. Okay. Just getting organized here before market opens. Looking at the Russell as well, showing some strength on the Russell, which is a good sign. Okay, nice little rounded bottom here. Okay, so we'll see how this plays out as well. The S&P looking for a gap, possibly down. If we gap down, okay, this would be bullish. Okay, we gap down here to support, and then we bounce. That would be nice, okay? That would be nice. So we'll see how it does react this morning. It's going to be interesting enough. And yeah, this thing looks toppy and looks like it wants to roll over, okay? Let's be patient here with the longs, right? This would be ideal for us to get in here, down here around 69,650. We'll have to wait and find out, okay? We'll have to wait and find out. If we start losing structure here, we could be looking for a potential short scalp. Okay, the problem is we're not really at a key level of resistance, right? We've come back for some of this liquidity in here, but not the high. Okay, we've pushed up. We've flagged up. Typically, we would have liked to see this flag down, right? Something like this for a breakout. You didn't get that. So now, a little bit of choppiness. Something we don't want to do is trade when it's chopping like this. We want to have clear structure, right? Clear structure. Not something that's just flat and gross like this. This yesterday was gross before we rolled over as well. So Right now, uncertainty in the markets, clear uncertainty because of this election coming up next week. So strap in, protect your downside. Don't over leverage. Please, please, please. Market is open. Okay, we got a gap up. We didn't get what we wanted this morning. Okay. No no gap down to here. Showing some strength. Yeah, gap up here. So we'll see how this does. This want to come up for here? We'll see how that works. We got market open coming in right now. A little bit of volatility coming into the market. Let's see what happens on the shorter term time frames. Pushing back up here, creating a higher low. Still strength. Okay, we got a double top here on market cipher trying to trigger back in. Okay, trigger wave coming in here. VWAP crossover on the 1 minute, 3 minute. Taking a look over here. Red dot, green dot, red dot, green dot. Choppiness, right? Choppy. To me, trapping longs right now. So 24 wants to come down. Our hourly, we said crossing over the zero line VWAP coming down. This could be an aggressive trigger wave, okay? Be careful here. Red money flow coming in, but trigger wave. Trigger wave here can be very aggressive to the downside. Bitcoin's trying to push here. We can see that coming in. We see the S&P pushing up as well. The NASDAQ coming in. We do have significant structure down in here that we can look for a potential bounce if we do come any lower on the NASDAQ. The Russell retracing after this big push up. Okay. Bitcoin looking to push, right? We're not getting long on this. This is not somewhere where I'm looking to get long. Just a little bit of patience is gonna pay a lot. Okay. We can see overextended here on VWAP. Half hour till that candle prints. The 3 hour suggesting continuation to the upside. 4 hour, same kind of deal. Money coming in. Okay, trying to hold on here on Bitcoin. We'll see how that continues to play out today. So the longer term time frames are pointing up. However, my very short term time frames are saying retracement then pump. So we'll have to keep our eye on the prize right now. We did get pretty bullish jobs news, unemployment news, I like to say, but non-farm coming in at 12,000 is kind of weird in my opinion. So we'll see how that continues to play out here. To me, this is looking very much like a trap where I do not want to just buy. We're not buying this. Why would we buy this? Right? Oh, but you can protect your yeah. Okay. If anything, we're trying to buy this. Or this, or the sweep of the highs here coming in up here, right? If we get that sweep, that would be nice for a continuation down, sweeping these highs in here, looking for that potential sweep coming back down into this area in here. Okay, so right now, pretty much in the hot dog zone, as we talk about, you don't want to be, trading the hot dog. You want to be out on the buns, the nice juicy buns, where you're looking to take advantage of price action. So this thing's pushing. Okay, nice little push here. Congratulations to those who got possibly long off this wick this morning. This is pushing, but just creating another high right now. We'll see how this continues to push. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smashing those like buttons. We are sick today, but we are trying our best to help you guys have some thoughts on this new subs and lurking. Thank you so much, FOMO Sky, or Formoski. I think it's Formoski, not FOMO Sky. Formoski. I'm going to go with Formoski. Render is looking bullish. Beautiful render token. Love render. Here's the push up into our key level of resistance. Okay. Nice little push up. This is pretty aggressive here. Can we get a CDW up here? Nice little push. No trade yet. No trade yet. Continuation here on a Friday. Can we get a retrace back in possibly? We'll have to wait and find out. VWAP's residing way below us here. Okay, so can we see something where it comes back into this area in here? We're not sure, but that's okay. Coming up into this area here at 70,750-ish, looking for a sweep of these highs and then a retracement back down, okay? People who haven't paid themselves on their longs, you might want to be considering that. Okay, getting a little bit overextended here. This can continue to push, but I would definitely be paying myself if you're scalping this as a potential long. Okay, right now you can see momentum is coming out. Trying to push back here. Trying to push back. Let's be patient. Yeah, 5 minute. Multiple bearish divergence coming through here. Overextended standard deviations in a downtrend, right? Could be looking to possibly get into a short here. Just waiting. Just waiting. Money does look nice. So it looks nice like going to the upside here. We can see it coming back in here on the 15. This does look like strength on the money, right? So let's be patient. VWAP crossing over, pushing up into our key level of resistance. We're looking at 70,750 for potential short. Okay. Might take a little nibble here. We'll have to wait and find out. I would like to see a sweep of the highs into this area, okay? No trade as of yet, just waiting. Short at 72K, that's dangerous. It's definitely depending on what your take profit strategy is. You can press buy or sell pretty much at any level as long as you have a plan, okay? We have a key level of resistance here. We have a liquidity grab up here. There's confluence in this. We're a bit overextended. Okay. We have up only, right? Where we have created liquidity. Yes, this is looking strong. We're not taking the short exactly right away. We are waiting for confirmation. We would like to see it shoot up, right? A liquidity grab, a lower high, and then we'll look to get short. We wait for confirmations here. We obviously learned our lesson the other day for not waiting for confirmations. We do have an aggressive push up here. We don't want to fade this pump. We want to get in line with this pump, okay? So right now we have broken structure to the downside in a more macro uptrend, obviously. But for me right now, we need to be cautious with the longs. We didn't want to long the top here, but we can see some strength coming in on the S&P pushing back right now. Russell flat. NASDAQ flat. Dixie indecisive. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this looks strong here. Okay, nice push up coming into this area here. No trade as of yet. People buying in. I guarantee you people are buying in on this candle. Looking for this thing to come back up. Okay, sweeping the highs over here. See, we could come a little bit higher, around 800. We got these highs in here that are of interest. Nice little push here this morning. Nice little push here this morning. GG's on your longs, everybody. Awesome trades. Keep up the good work. It's Friday, baby. Thank you guys so much for being here. Smashing those like buttons. We got 200 people in here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. If you are new here, come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Links down below. And if you are new here, welcome. Hopefully we can help you on your trading journey. Trying to solve this puzzle of the market on a daily basis. Never easy. Never easy, but always fun. Always fun. We love trading here. And we love your company. So thank you for being here. And good morning to every single one of you guys. If you are lurking and working, thank you for being here as well. Right now, Bitcoin's getting a nice rip up to 70,850. Nice little push here. No trade as of yet. We're waiting for confirmation. People are buying in, looking for this thing to continue to rip. We did have some economic news here with non-farm payrolls coming in at 12,000, which is kind of weird. And then we had unemployment rate dropping to 4.1%, which was lower than expected. We were expecting 4.2, and it had a beautiful drop. That is bullish. We can see that being shown in the markets. We've had the false move and then the actual move onwards and upwards into this area. So now we have grabbed our liquidity into this area. Now we're looking to the golden pocket next level up here. Doesn't mean we don't get a rejection and come back down from here. Let's just be patient. Let's see what we get on price action right now. This seems to be up only. Quite an aggressive push up from the market makers. Okay, so this is looking good for Bitcoin. Okay, continuing to push. Nice smooth stream today, everybody. It seems to be going well. We don't look like Casper the Ghost. If anything, we look a little bit saturated. That's probably because I've blown my nose 150 times. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Suey ripping. I should have FOMO. No, you shouldn't have. We don't want to think like that. We want to set the trap, right? We want to trade the plan, right? A profitable trader is a trader with a plan who's patient, right? If the setup's not there, you don't go off, oh, I feel like this, I think like this is going to work. I think it'll work. Maybe it'll work. Man, I should have done that. No. That's going to get you in trouble. I'll tell you from experience, that will get you in trouble. Okay, Suey's having a nice rip. That's great for Suey. That's great for all other assets we can see here. Yeah, nice move from Suey. Coming up to 205. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so what do you look for now? You look at this, you set the trap right here, looking for a potential retrace, possible long, right? Protection below this low here, right? Targeting highs, right? That's how I would look to set it up, right? You want to be setting yourselves up, right? I'm looking for a retrace here if we do get it. Nice push up here. Oof, 1% move already. Let's go, Bitcoin. Up only. Up only. Happy November, everybody. We're almost in Christmas time. We're going to have to put together some sort of deal for our Discord for Black Friday. When is Black Friday? What date is Black Friday? Isn't it soon? When is Black Friday? You guys let me know in the chat. Do you guys know? I know, says Massey. Hope you feel great soon, Alex, and love to the baby. Thank you so much. Yeah, little baby Otter's doing good. I mean, I'm isolating from the thing. It sucks, man. I really, because my wife has to do all the work, and I'm sick, and I can't touch her or him. So, you know, it's not a very, it's not fun, right? It sucks being sick. The day after Thanksgiving, the 29th. Okay, so it's at the end of November. Okay. Okay. Lurking and working. What is the difference between perpetual and standard futures? Perpetual and standard futures. So perps and standard futures, it's just the amount, it's just the leverage. And so if it's on BingX, standard futures doesn't have as many tools as perpetual futures, right? And then you can do inverse perpetual where you can use Bitcoin as collateral. Some exchanges offer other things as collateral, so you're trading Bitcoin on Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin goes up, you're making extra money. But standard futures is just it doesn't have as many features as perpetuals would if it's BingX. So that's the answer I have for you. But Bitcoin getting a push up this morning. Looking for a little bit of a rejection coming back in right here. We'll see if we do get that rejection. Reckon the longs. No trades so far. I'm not going to look at any more altcoins right now. I'm just looking for a trade for the group here and see if we can find something. This is looking a little bit toppy. So what do we want to see? We want to see a low put in. And something like this when we can go short here. Nothing as of yet, though. I would look for a retrace back down to these highs if we're going to get long this morning, okay? So let's be patient. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, coming back down. Coming back down. Are we going to get on the gravy train or what? 70,400? Looking for a long at 70,400. Up in here. Up in here. Gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here. Up in here. $70,450 for the retest of the previous high. Little rejection here on Bitcoin coming back in. Give it to me, baby. Come on, Bitcoin, hit it. Hit it and quit it. You ain't gonna run away from me like that. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. It didn't even fill. My God, what the heck? It just missed. Oh, man. It didn't fill. Come back down, Bitcoin. Look at this. I missed it. I missed it. Oh, man. Should have marketed in. That's okay. Well, we're still waiting here. Still waiting. Waiting at 4:15 right now. 4:15. Wow, ramping. Look at the ramping on here on 24-minute. Nice ramping. Nice ramping here. Still waiting down here. Okay, I'm just gonna wait here. We'll see if we do get a retrace back in. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. We got 200 people, 120 likes, 107 likes. I think we can do better than that. I mean, our record is 300 and I don't think we're gonna beat this. 358. That's our record now. You guys absolutely decimated it the other day. I had 200 people in here. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out with me. You could be anywhere in the YouTube world, but you're here with me. Hopefully we can help you make some money, create some wealth for you and your family, and you know, that's what it's all about, is working together, having an edge, trading that edge, being patient. Hopefully I can help you with your patience. It's never easy. It's never easy. See, you could have been looking at this for a retest right here, right? We just missed it. Okay, that's fine. We might get another chance, okay? We might get something like this. We might, okay? Looking a little toppy here. Still waiting down here with the long. Golden pocket sits above us here, so let's be very, very careful with getting overextended, okay? Lots of resistance above us. Now we feel FOMO because we should have gotten long. We were ready to get long. We just missed the trade, okay? Did anybody get in on that dip back down? Let me know in the chat. That would have been nice, a nice little trade here. Now it has since taken off. Okay. Was looking for that long. Not gonna FOMO in at the top. Okay, not gonna FOMO in at the top. Pretty annoyed with myself. Should have marketed in, just waiting there, waiting, and didn't get filled as usual. Okay, this thing is pushing right now. It's one of those days. It's one of those days. Anybody else get in on that retest there? I've got lots of patients. They keep crying. They missed it. That's it. Good morning, Alex and the Otter gang. Alexandra G in the chat. Mad love to you. Hope you're doing well. God bless you. Thank you for being here. She's gonna run away from you. She's gone, man. She's gone. I must have said it. Must have been something I said. Must have been something I said. Oh man. Increase your chart size. You've a lot of space there. I could do that for you. Is that better? Try to make it beautiful for you. You guys are all beautiful. We just put in a new high here. Continuing to push Bitcoin. 70,800. And all you guys were all puckered yesterday. Now we're back ripping. S&P looking good. Russell breaking out. NASDAQ trying to bottom out here and push. Okay. No trade as of yet. Dixie rolling over, trying to reclaim back up here. Okay, since losing this level, we'll see if it does continue to break down. Okay. Nothing yet, though. Nothing yet. We could have got that retest. That's a little bit annoying. But hey ho, we're here. 120 likes here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys tremendously. It's always a fun one here in the morning. Friday, baby. Happy Friday to every single one of you. Hopefully, you've all had a great trading week. Okay, I see you guys out here with your 45% win rates up and away. Okay, mad love to all of you guys. You don't have to make it beautiful. You're beautiful enough, buddy. Thank you, Tamale, man. God bless you, bro. Open music. Pump it up. We can pump it for you guys. You guys want me to pump it for you guys? I got the tune. I'm not like a pump music kind of guy. It's a bit early, but we got the tune. Have you heard of TRB? Pump it, Bitcoin.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.
Definitely looking for the short here at 71,300-ish area.
Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Ooh, nice bearish divergence. Ooh, this is juicy.
What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news.
This is juicy.
I'm building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an auto gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto.
I might get short here.
Alexo, crypto.
A little cheeky short. What do you guys think?
Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
71,000. 71,000. 100. 71,000. Nice bearish divergence. 71,050 around here. Ooh wee. That would be funny. Dump it on everyone's heads. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. 71,000. 71,200-ish. Are we going to go up that high? People be buying this, man. People are buying this. I guarantee you people are buying long here. 71,000. 110. 130. Something like that. I think that looks juicy to me. That looks juicy to me. Coming all the way back down into here. That would be funny, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? Tell me it would be funny. You guys don't want me to short this thing, do you? What do you guys think? Are we shorting it? 71,350. Golden pocket. Golden pocket. Oh, we just got a green dot. Oh no, a green dot. Oh no, a green dot. I'd be looking higher, guys. I'd be looking up here. Definitely looking up here. This is the ideal trade. If you did miss the super long this morning, everybody getting bullish. Everybody getting bullish. Join the bullish clan. This will be your fib retracement level up in here. Let's see if we do get a push up. We're at 71,050, 71,060, 70, 80. Play by play, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 123 likes. Happy belated Halloween. Happy birthday, Bitcoin. Thank you for rugging everyone yesterday on your birthday. Keeping everybody humble. As usual. As usual. It's been a wonderful morning. I'd like to say thank you to every single one of you guys for an absolute incredible week. It's been incredible. It's been incredible.
Wow.
We normally go over to Piper's show.
Looking at Ethereum, my friends.
We normally go over to Piper's show.
$2,562.
But let's go over to Randy Hipper. Let's go over to Randy Hipper today. If you guys don't mind going over to Randy Hipper. We'd love to invade Randy Hipper here.
Scenario right now,
so let's go over and check out Randy Hipper today. I'm going to send the link in the chat. And then I'm going to sign off. Please go over here. Throw some otters in the chat.
Here we have
okay, let's go over here and otter bomb.
Wasn't that great on ETH.
Randy
we still
Hipper.
Have a red dot printed here.
We love Randy Hipper. She's a friend of the channel. She's Marcus Cypher family.
Over the weekend
okay, so let's go over here and say hello to Randy Hipper
and
invade Randy Hipper and smash her like button and all those good things. Okay,
crossing over that neutral line.
Let's go and see. I want to see some otters in the chat. You guys are here for me. You got to be here for others. Okay, so let's see you guys all go over here. No trade on Bitcoin. Looking for that beautiful retracement. But let's see the utterly fantastic invasion. I know you guys are capable of it. You guys are very capable of it.
Hopefully this
I will be in the Discord. Please go over and smash Randy Hipper's chat.
We're looking at that 75.
I will be in the Discord all weekend. Hit me up if you need anything.
Don't pass it.
Bitcoin ripping to the upside. Thank you, everybody, for being here.
Just really stuck in between that
looking to push up into this area. Might be looking for a potential short. We'll see if we get confirmation. I would like to see a sweep of the highs here and a retracement back down. Okay, let's see if we do get the resistance here. I'll be looking for the short. I'll let you guys know in the Discord. But please go over to Randy's chat, smash the heck out of the beautiful.
We do have
like button for her, and let's go over there and pump it up
so I'm enjoying
and invade
that. So let's
her
hope
chat.
that
Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting me, helping me support you. It's always an honor and a privilege. And thank you, guys. Otter gang. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. Thank you guys for supporting me and helping me support you. Let's invade that channel. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you guys in the Discord or Monday. Trade safe. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto.